every ending is a new beginning. And bought this trailer about 5 years ago. It was a great trailer, and it's time to say goodbye. I've had it for about 2 years. Had a good time. Supposedly a guy's coming on 2 days from now to pick it up. Just cleaned it all up. And we'll see what's going to go in the place of this trailer. I think to sum things up, my experiences with travel trailers, not a big fan of them at this point. I find that they're kind of weak. They're just structurally, you know, it's pretty much just aluminum. I'm not even sure if there's a Luan plywood layer behind there, but there's supposedly, I think it's basically right to the insulation and then 1x1 studs with insulation in between, and then you've got a thin layer of like a 1/8 layer of Luan plywood usually on the other end of that. And you know, the roof really weak. They leak all the time. You know, like, just to give you an example, I mean, this, you know, stuff like this, you know, like the awning is fastened into the side of the trailer, but there's hardly anything behind that, so when that rots out, you know, you've got an awning that's ripping out of the side of the trailer, right? And which is why I got the tarps there, and anyways, I had some fun with it. And I'm gonna bring my RV up here, and areas of this are fairly rotten. I'm gonna switch the furnaces tomorrow. Has a working furnace, but I'm not selling the guy a working furnace.
Oh.
Go on. Why?
You have to cut that out. I'm in it. I don't want to be in it.
Come on inside. So yeah, she's all cleaned out here. There's a lot of work cleaning her out. A lot of memories. Had a lot of great times. But you know, the slide outs rotting in behind here. It's leaking down this side of the wall. It's just things that, you know, you can't necessarily see, but once you really start looking closer, it's leaking in the bathroom, and then stuff like this. You know, you go on in there and you see, like, this wall's good. This wall's good and solid, but then look at that. That whole wall's just been leaking for years. It's just falling apart, and in this cupboard here, and all in here, this wall is just falling apart, and you open the cupboards and it's all just rotten in here. She's done. You know, in my younger days I probably would have fixed that, but if you're not new to my channel, you'll know that I do a lot of fixing of RVs, and I'm just burned out at this point. I kind of don't want to be bothered fixing you know, stuff like structural stuff like that. I just don't want to bother with it anymore. I'd rather sell it, have somebody else do it. So yeah, hopefully the next buyer will have a good time with this trailer and put some time and effort into it, and hopefully they'll have themselves a nice trailer, and I can kind of get this thing out of my life. Got a lot of really exciting things happening though for this channel, and a lot of new things. Like I said, this is an ending, but it's also a beginning. We're going to have something coming in here. We're installing hydro, so I think it's going to be a great thing. Also, me and Jayla, we just bought a waterfront property on the Ottawa River, and that's going to be in an upcoming video as well, and we'll be putting a trailer there as well. So like I said, gonna sell this trailer, had some fun with it, but we're gonna get another one, and it's gonna be in better shape, and there'll be lots of cool videos, fun videos coming up. So you Ottawa Scotty, signing off. Zoe, you got anything to say? Got anything to say? It's hot, eh? And Zoe will be happy to know that this does in fact have a working air conditioner in this, in the trailer coming in. So, you Ottawa Scotty signing off. Stay tuned for some cool videos coming up. We've got lots of fun stuff, and stay classy, keep it tight, and see you soon. Come on, Zoe. Let's go. Come on.